Money, we use it every day, but have you ever wondered how it's actually made? It's not just paper and ink, it's a high-security masterpiece. Today we're taking you behind the scenes to reveal the fascinating process of how money is designed, printed and protected from counterfeiters. How money is made. First things first, money is not made from regular paper. If it were, it would tear easily and wear out quickly. Instead, most countries use a special blend of cotton and linen fibers, giving banknotes their unique feel. Some countries, like Australia and Canada, use polymer plastic banknotes, which are even more durable and waterproof. But this paper isn't just strong, it's embedded with hidden security features like watermarks and security threads, even before printing begins. Once the special paper is ready, the real magic begins: printing. And it's not just one type of printing, it's a combination of multiple high-tech methods to make counterfeiting almost impossible. Offset printing. The background designs and colors are printed first, creating a detailed foundation for the banknote. Intaglio printing. This is where the magic happens. Raised ink is applied for the portrait, numbers and symbols, giving money that unique texture you can feel when you run your fingers over it. Letterpress printing. Serial numbers are added, making each bill unique. And let's not forget security features. Holograms, color-changing ink, and microprinting so tiny it's impossible to copy with a regular printer. After printing, every single banknote goes through strict quality control, any note with even the tiniest mistake destroyed. Once approved, the giant sheets of money are cut into individual banknotes and stacked, ready for distribution. Now that the money is printed, where does it go? Well, it doesn't just magically appear in your wallet. Freshly printed banknotes are stored in high-security vaults at the central bank. From there, they are carefully transported to commercial banks, which distribute them through ATMs and bank transactions. Modern money is a work of science and art, but what makes it impossible to fake? Let's break down the hidden security features. Watermarks. Hold the bill up to the light. You'll see a hidden image inside the paper.
Holograms. Tilt the note and the shiny strip changes color.
Microprinting. Tiny words and numbers so small they look like a line to the naked eye. UV features. Under ultraviolet light, secret patterns appear. These features make it nearly impossible for counterfeiters to copy real money. From design to security, the process of making money is a blend of technology, art, and extreme precision. What surprised you the most about how money is made? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos on how things are made.